the same one, the other one, right?
Business, yeah.
Okay, let's see now. Shut that one inside. Okay, shut that one inside. Shut up, okay. No, put the other one there. Put the other one and blind first. The other one, you show it and blind, then we set it. Let me and blind. Okay. See it? Wait. Anything outside there? Okay. No, don't chop it too much. There put the motor on it. There is placement. There will stay on placement. Okay. Let's put it. Which motor now? Let's put which motor there?
Yeah, here no placement. So doing the connection of this point here. Pressure.